Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install the KYVE node, and we're gonna do it in the near pool, but I'll show you also how to do it in any other pool that you would like to. And we're gonna use the guide from Cyber Romanov. Thank him pretty much for that. I'll drop the link in the description below. So we're gonna start from the renting the server. I just want to mention now that the guide is going to be mostly for the beginners. So yeah, if you're like experienced guy in the nodes, you can just use that link and just do it yourself. The first step is to run the server. The official requirements is like 4 GB RAM and 2 and 1 CPU core. So this is the best option, I guess. Like based on practice, you can also run like this one, but based on the, based on the price difference, I guess I'll take this one still. So we're gonna rent it, and we'll have to confirm it. We're just gonna take a look at the IP address and the password. Yeah, here we have it. It's created. This is the one I used before. Just a sec. Yep, so this is the new one. So I use Terminus. It's quite a good tool. Just started using it to manage all your servers, and you just copy and paste the address. And I'll just write it KYVE or something. It doesn't matter actually. Just have to put the IP address here, and you click this arrow. Double click here. We're gonna log in first as a root. Press yes, continue, and here you'll have to input this password that you're given in the email, the initial one, and the terminal is gonna open. So you enter this password once more, and here you will be asked to input like new password. So you just do it. Yep, so our server is ready. Now the next step is to upload the RV, like RWave.js file. It's actually was mentioned in the guide. So I guess you can do it yourself because it's not pretty difficult. So you just create the RV wallet, and you'll have to like drop there some balance, so some AR tokens. The way that we found is to just transfer from the Binance just 0.1 because it's the minimum withdrawal amount. So you just copy the address of the wallet and just like transfer the money there. And also the important thing is that you'll have to rename this file. I'll show you how does it look like in the folder. Yeah, so see here, it's like RVIV something something, and we'll have to like rename it to just like RVIV.json as mentioned in the guide. Yep, and we're gonna drop it in the root directory. I'll show you. So yeah, the name have to be like that, and the wallet have to be with the balance. Yep. So I use the tool called transfer sh. I guess it's called like that, to transfer the files to the server. So yeah, it's here. It's transfer sh. I'll drop the link also in the description. So we choose the file. I guess it's the it's over here. KYVE, yeah, RVIV.json. Yeah, so it's it generates you the link. Yeah, here. Yeah, it's here. Sorry, the link. And in the terminal, we're gonna type we get and just paste this link, and it's gonna be downloaded. If you type ls, you're gonna see it in the root directory. It's here. So after that, it ain't gonna be difficult. So just head to the guide. Yeah, you just have to prepare the server for the node. Yeah, it's gonna take some time. It's fine. I'll tell you, given that we're waiting, so I'll tell you about the pools. So I would not recommend to run the node in the like top 3 pools, because the minimal stake amount there is huge, and it doesn't actually make like a difference in which pool to run it, because you will get the equal amount of points. So you'd better just choose the pool where the like let's say floor of the like just like minimal staking amount is less. Yeah, so I just choose near because I like it. Yeah, so we're done with the updates, and then run this one. Then we'll have to create a directory and move there. Yeah, so we're in this folder now, and here we're gonna have to install all the variables for the pool and download the packages with it from their GitHub. Yeah, so we chose near, so I just copy and paste here all the stuff. Yeah, we are done, and here it's quite an important step that you have to see this output. If you so we can move for the next step now. The mnemonic, and second is going to be the stake amount that you want to stake initially in your node. So you just type here like mnemonic, and just put like the double brackets. I can get used to mark. So I just have it written somewhere here. It's gonna be hidden because like it's actually the mnemonic from my wallet, but the format is like that. So you're gonna use these double brackets and you're just gonna type the mnemonic inside. Yep. So it's gonna be something like that. So type the mnemonic and we type the stake amount, and it has to be different. I mean, it has to be different from the one you see here. You can just find it out based on the guys with the nodes in the pool. So you see here the minimum amount to enter is like 5,000. So I would recommend to enter with at least like 2,000 plus, because the guys are like always entering and you can just get kicked out of the active validators. Yep. So just the stake amount is going to be I'll just type like 30,000 because I actually have this amount on the wallet. Yeah, actually I'll just go with the maximum, so just write the stake equals, and I'll go with 30,000. Yep. So okay, and here just one step left. We configure the service file like this. You just copy and paste it, nothing difficult, and you just like start the node. Just copy and paste all this stuff here, and you just check the service file. You just check the logs, sorry, and it has to output something like that. So it has to set up for a few minutes because it's the first setup. Yeah, and after that, when it's gonna be finished, just a sec, we have to check our node in the list, and oh, see here, it outputs like waiting for the new proposal. It means that you did everything correctly, and here you will have an option like manage stake. So see we have here like 30,000 KYVE, and if you go to the delegation tab, you will see your node right here. So it's 30,000 KYVE. Yep. So that means that you did everything correctly.